Hey guys, in my previous video I showed you how to create an account on a platform called uTest.com. I showed you the full step, the full process to create an account. Then in this video now I'm going to show you their latest paying software that is coming up that will pay you $50 for uploading just 20 pictures. Yeah, you have to upload 20 pictures and they'll pay you $50. The name of the project is called Calling All Parents. So once you come to your profile, your account, under projects and project boards, scroll down. You can use the search function on your computer by pressing the Control and the F key, or if you're using a Windows, you press the Command and the F key. Then search for Calling All Parents. So look, this Calling All Parents. So this is an urgent project. It will start on 31st of January, and then it's for USA only. So make sure your account is in the USA. So let's read what's about. Do you have a collection of photos and portraits of your children stored in your photo library? Contribute this image to help advance machine learning and enhance user experience on the application. Who can participate? So just click on it so we get the full details of the project. So who can participate? Parent of or guardian, if you're a parent or a guardian of a child or children under 18 years. So you have to, the child or the person's photo you want to upload must be less than 18 years old. The person must be under 18 years old, and make sure you are the parent or the guardian of the children or of the child. The project is for people in United States, so you must not be in Illinois, Texas, Oregon or Washington. So you shouldn't be in any of the states. If you're in any of the states, you can't get the project. You must have internet access and a device to submit the photo. So internet access, definitely you must have. We all have internet access, and then device to submit the photos. Yes, we all have our computer devices that can submit the photos. What you do? So we have to log in to secure the applications. The application will pre-select the image of your child. You get to choose what to, then you will now choose the one you want to update and stuff. So earn rewards. So this project is quick and easy. You get $50 for every approved submission. So once you upload 20 pictures, you get $50. So you have to allow for like 2 weeks for customer feedback to check the picture, and then they're going to send you the $50. And then you can also earn for referral. Yeah, so $15 for every successful referral. So there are other ways to earn. So I'm going to add my referral code. So guys, please, the only way to support me now for doing this project, for bringing this more, and then I'll bring more projects that come on board, is to use my referral code. So if you use my referral code, I'm going to add my referral code in the comment section and in the description of this video. So check there and use my referral code to sign up for this. So if you sign up, if you use my referral code, I'm going to get $15 extra, and you are also going to get $15 extra. So let's help each other and get it. So time for commitment, this takes like 30 minutes to do. So once you've read all this stuff, just click on apply. So we'll click on apply, and they're going to take us to where we are going to apply for the project. Then I think after applying, because I've applied it on that account, I'm just doing it because I want to carry you guys along, and I like sharing with my community. You guys are my community, you guys are my family. I always make another video after testing and confirming what is working for me. So if you don't have an account, if you don't have a uTest account, go and watch my previous videos on how to create an account. But if you do have an account already, then just continue with this step, and please sign up for this project, this specific project with my referral. So this is it. So you have to fill in the form, blah, blah, blah. They're just going to ask you some questions and your email. So this is Google Docs. Then you scroll down. Do you accept the information? Yes. And then you click on next. So what is your full legal name? So they're going to ask you for your full legal name and other stuff, the email address. So you're going to put your full legal name, Helen. Okay. So then make sure the name is as like the name on your passports or your ID card. You're going to put in your email address, the email address you used to sign up for uTest. a phone number they can use to contact you. So you're going to use your phone number. So put in your real phone number and then your Gmail address and other stuff. So I'm going to put in my phone number and I'm going to blur it out, obviously, so you guys can't see my phone number. So hold on a bit, let me get the phone number I want to use and I'm going to blur it. So if you don't have a US phone number, you can also leave this, because this, look at it here, is not starred asterisk, so it is not important. You get, it is not required, so you can just leave the phone number part blank. But I have a phone number, so I have a US phone number, so here I will just fill in the details. So there's one, let me just fill in my phone number, 568. Okay, then what is your Gmail address? So you have to put in the Gmail address, your Gmail address again. So go to your, you must have a Gmail account. So let me put in the Gmail address I want to use. So gmail.com. So once after putting your Gmail address, this is your uTest ID. Do not change anything here, and then scroll down and then click on next. Then it will take you to the next part. Your country, your location. Currently I'm staying in the US, so I'm going to use US. If you're staying outside the US, you can click on others and select the country, but I'm staying in the US, so I'm using United States, and I'll click on next. Which state in the United States are you located in? Remember, if you watch my previous video, I said I used a VPN, a proxy that's used California as my location. And then if you check this project here, you see excluding Illinois, Texas, Oregon, and Washington. So make sure once you want to fill this part here, which states, do not put any of the states. So I'm going to use California. So I'm going to use California here. Do not use any of the states, if not, you'll not be selected for the project. Do not use Illinois, Texas, Oregon, and Washington. Do not use any of these 4 states, if not, you are not going to be selected for the tax. So yeah, I selected California and I'll click on next. And then, how many photos do you have in your photo library? I have more than 2,000 photos. What online photo solution do you use? So now, what photo solution you can? There are lots of places you can upload your photos. So then you are going to give them access, so they'll check the photos. So for this video, we're going to use Google Photos. We can also use Apple iCloud Photos, Dropbox, and the rest. But let's use Google. Select Google Photos and Dropbox. No, not Flickr. Dropbox here. These are the 2 we are going to use. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. Don't worry, I'm going to guide you guys throughout the whole process on how to do everything. Just select these 2 like I indicated, Google Photos and Dropbox. So they're going to give us the option to either upload via Google Photos or via Dropbox. So I selected these 2, Google Photos and Dropbox. Then I'll click on next. If you don't have an account with them, automatically, if you have a Google account, you can automatically upload your photos on Google Photos, but without creating an account. But if you don't have then for Dropbox, I'm going to make a video. If you guys want me to make a videos on how to create a Dropbox account and upload your photos there, let me know, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. So now, what type of mobile devices do you own? I have an Android device and I have an iOS device. So I have these 2. I have a mobile device, which is an Android device, and I have an iOS device. So if you have just one, select one. If you have both, select both of them and then click on next. So how did you hear about this project? So for you now, you can say you heard it from friends or relative. Yes, you can also say since you heard it from me, like I'm an influencer or a YouTuber or something like that, and the option is not here, so it's from a friend or a relative. Yeah, I'm your friend. So the next part, are you willing to take part in Parsec? Well, just use yes. So this one will just practice. You just let you. This is a circle that will just test you, and then try to like tutor you on how to go about the whole process on your own. So click on yes. Do you have any questions, comment about this record? If you don't have any questions, let it go and then click on next. So what is the full name of the person that referred you? So you can use, I'm going to give you the name of the person. The name of the person that recommended is so you're going to use this as the full name of the person that recommended you. The email address of the person that recommended you, you can just put in the email address of the person that recommended you. You can this doesn't matter, you can put in any generic email address. If you have any email address, you can put it, but I'm going to put this email address. What is the uTest ID? You can just say I don't have the uTest ID. So I don't have the uTest ID of the person that that referred me. So what I'm going to do is go back to uTest. This is my uTest ID. Copy this ID, this tutu. So once you come over here and they're asking you for the ID of the person that referred you, choose this 22 78 79 381. Copy it, come over here and paste it. This is it, 22 79 381. So this is the email address. Click on submit. So this is how important this is, and that's all. So thank you for filling out this application. Your response has been successfully submitted. Your applications will be reviewed by the community management. If you are selected for the participation, you'll be contacted either by CM or via project invitation on uTest. So now after doing this, you just have to be looking at checking your email address, or coming over here to see if you've been accepted to take the test. So you just have to come to your profile, come on that project. If you've been accepted, they're going to send you some emails to let you know that you've been accepted to take on this project, and you can start the project and you can end on the project. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me questions in the comment section. I'm always here to answer your questions. I'm always here to teach you guys the latest ways to earn money legitly and for free. So this channel will teach how to earn money online via surveys and doing tasks that are working. We only teach what is working, and we teach you guys for free. We won't ask you to pay anything to learn anything on this channel. So the best you can do is to like this video, share it with your friends so they can watch as well and learn. And please, if you are not a subscriber on this channel, support me. I'm a new YouTuber, I'm a green YouTuber. Support this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment, tell me if you want me to test a new service or an app or a software for you, and I'll give you my review. So thanks for this video, and then I'll see you in the next one.